Hello, welcome if you're new here. Don't forget to follow after this video or like, comment what you can see, what you can say, okay? Alright, today I'm going to apply my mascara. So I have this primer from Dior. I have my mirror with me here so I can see good. I just swipe it. This is white color, as you can see. And then set it a little bit, like minute, and then follow the mascara, the real mascara, the color. I have the I have a black mascara. Most I have here is a black mascara, guys. So I have this colorway. This is mini size. So this is I'm going to apply. So let's go. So how it looks like compared to the other eye. Isn't that lovely? Okay, let's now make it even, the other side. Okay. Mascara is on.